Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks so much for watching Brenspeed TV. Today we're going to watch a dyno pull on a 14 Raptor 6.2 liter Whipple Supercharged. We are going to go down and take a look. We're going to tell you kind of how this truck got here. But hey, if you love cool videos like this, subscribe it, notify us, stay up to date. I've dug with me. Let's go check it out. All right, so what's crazy about this truck right here in this story, this goes with a lot of different vehicles. We see this all the time here at Brenspeed. Is this client bought this used and it didn't run right when he bought it, and it was flashed by the dealership back to factory, even though it was Whipple Supercharged. Obviously you need a calibration on the truck for the blower, but all the time, even NA cars like a cold air intake, we see people buy these from the dealership. They're not running correctly. Maybe down the road they get check engine lights like this truck did, and it's all because they took off the aftermarket tune, updated the factory program with the most recent calibration available. So keep that in mind. If you go to the Ford dealership for an oil change, as simple as that, tell them don't plug in and flash my OBD2 if you have an aftermarket tune on the vehicle. Doug, come down, take a look. 2.9 Whipple Stage 2 kit. We sell these. I'll put a link in the description. You can read a lot more about it. You can email quote@brenspeed.com and say, what's this cost to get installed? So Whipple, it's the 2.9. You get injectors, big air induction system. One cool thing on this, on the truck, is you get the big heat exchanger that comes by default with the dual fans. But besides this kit, this truck is stuck. Client bought it, getting check engine lights, brought it in, said, hey, I don't know what's going on. We did a little work on our end. Yep, it's been flashed to factory. So we threw it on the dyno, did a tune. Check out this dyno pull. Check this out, 93 octane, Dynojet SAE, smoothing 5, rear wheel horse 500 to the tires, peaking 5,800, torque 501, peaking 3,800. That's great right there. Boost comes in at 10.6 PSI. This is all standard. I'm just putting a stage 2 Whipple kit on your stock truck. We did one of these a while back. It's essentially the same thing, but it had headers instead of cams, and instead of 500, it was 540 to the tires, and torque is still right around 500. So it's a 14 Raptor, 6.2 liter, awesome engine, because these things make 500 torque with the blower. And you know, you get some of the newer F150s with the 5 liter, and you put a Whipple on it, you may have a little more real horsepower, but a lot of times your torque is not 500. So again, displacement. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Happy to answer. Again, quote@brenspeed.com. What's that cost to get built? We're in Indiana. I'll put a link at the end of this video, some shop tours, so you can check us out. Thanks for watching.